welcome to Samba Sports Agenda. And the Samba Sports value-based education is the core foundation of activities that we do or programs that we do in our office. So karibuni sana, let's have a tour.
My name is Mwanaisha. I work for Samba Sports Agenda, and I'm also the co-founder of the organization. We started as a youth group, then just playing a football match, and it grew up to be the Samba Sport that we have today. Value-based education, when it started in 2018, we had that partnership with Aga Khan Foundation. We applied to be one of the partners who will be able to implement the value-based education in the communities and some few of the schools around Kwale County, Module 1, 2, and 3.
So one of the quotes that we use at value-based education is the quote from Mother Teresa that is written on our walls that says, "Kind words can be short, but their echoes are truly endless."
We started as a youth group, like I said, then we advanced to community-based organization. So since 2019, I have been the value-based education facilitators to date. I've been able to train teachers that are the primary teachers within Mombasa County. I've been able to train education officials, even to Nairobi facilitators training also. So yes, I'm glad to be part of the journey all through since we started today. I'm more open-minded, and that I learned from value-based education. I'm more empathetic. I'm more self-aware of who I am. I know when I'm supposed to speak, when I'm not supposed to speak, when I'm supposed to show my emotions, when I'm not supposed to show my emotions. But again, appreciate who I am. We are not the same, we are different. So I have learned also to appreciate the diversity that we have in our own world.